Alright guys, now if you're selling products online and you want to create demo videos for these products with the help of AI, I'm gonna show you how you can do that with our tool here, Clipsby, that will help you turn text into an animated video in minutes. So the process is super easy and I will show you how you can do that. Just for example, I will go to Amazon here and now let's see some products. For example, the computer mice here. Now some random product. Let's open this Logitech mouse here. And alright, let's say we want to create a video promoting this mouse here. The first thing I will do is just take a simple screenshot of the product, just like this, and save this image to your computer. Now we have the screenshot. Then go to clipsby.com here and click here Get Started for free. Then you have to create a new project here and I will name this project Video Ad. So you have the option to select a single presenter, one person is presenting, and multiple presenters, two people presenting the topic like they are on the podcast. I will choose this format because it's more engaging for YouTube. And this is the interface of the software. It's super simple. This is person A and person B. So let's select characters here. I will select George for this example, but you can also create a custom character with the custom character builder we have, and you can upload your own custom character with automatic lip sync, and everything is handled by us. So I will pick here George. Now for the second character, I will pick here Aria. Let's change the background. I will use this simple background here. Now flip the background for Aria. And you can also upload your own custom background. Alright, and now how to do the script for this video? Well, it's super easy. Just go here to Idea to Script. And I will upload the screenshot here. So select the screenshot here and click Open. And now when you're done uploading this picture here, let's type this super simple prompt. Aria wants to buy this mouse, but she's not sure. George will help her decide to buy the mouse. And that's it, super basic prompt. Now you can change the maximum duration here, basically to make the video longer or shorter, but I will keep it to 1 minute just to serve as an example. And you can also change the conversation style from educational, storytelling, debate, and instructional. Well, I will keep this example educational because I want George to help her decide based on some educational facts. Let's see this experiment, we will see what will happen. And click here Replace Existing Script to replace the basic script from your template that you're first starting out with your project. Alright, when you're ready, click Generate Script. And just like that, our script here is ready. So let's see. Hey Aria, I heard you're thinking about buying a new mouse. Which one are you looking at? Hi George, yes, I'm eyeing on the Logitech. Alright, the script here is ready. And now, if you want, you can change the script, you can mark it, type some stuff, delete some stuff. It's super easy, like you're editing a Google Doc. This is a text editor, so you can here type wherever you like. You don't have any limits, but this is just a starting text. Now, if you're lazy and you don't want to do anything, just keep the script like it is. I will do that. Now, if you want to add the photo here at the corner where they are talking about, just mark the whole text here, like this. Just select the whole text and you will see this icon of photo here. Click it, and here, when you click the text, you will see the option where you can generate a photo with AI, or you can upload your own custom photo here. So I will just upload the screenshot of the Logitech mouse. So select this photo and click Open. And just like that, you have a photo here for the full script. The final step, if you want subtitles for your video ad, just go here to Project Settings and click Embed Subtitles in Video. And that's basically it. Once you're happy with the script here, just go here and click Start Render. You can confirm, and now a box will pop up that will show us our render will start. Now let's wait the video here and I will show it to you guys. Great, our video here is ready. Now let's watch it.
Hey Aria, I heard you're thinking about buying a new mouse. Which one are you looking at?
Hi George. Yes, I'm eyeing the Logitech G502 Hero on Amazon, but I'm not sure yet.
That's a great choice. It has a Hero 25K sensor with up to 25,600 dpi, which is superb for gaming precision.
That sounds impressive, but is it really that much better than others?
Absolutely. Plus, it has RGB lighting and 11 programmable buttons, perfect for customizing your gaming setup.
The features are tempting, but it's a bit pricey at $69.99.
It's actually on sale right now for $41.97. That's a 40% discount.
Oh, I didn't notice the discount. That makes it more tempting.
Also, it's Amazon's choice and has a 4.6 star rating based on over 54,000 reviews. That's a solid endorsement.
Wow, that does sound promising. But I saw there are additional shipping costs to Bulgaria.
True, but considering it's such a high-performance mouse and so popular, over 8,000 units sold last month, I think it's worth it.
Thanks, George. You've convinced me to go for it.
And yeah, that was all for this video, guys. I hope you like it. You can see how easy it is to create a promo videos for your products with our tool ClipsB here. Basically, you can create hundreds of videos for hundreds of products very fast. 2 minutes per video, for example, 2 minutes for a product. And just like that, you can place a demo video for every product on your website without relying on some freelancers. Now, if you want to try our tool here, ClipsB, just go to clipsb.com here and get started for free. You can test it out and tell us what you think about. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video.